Hello beautiful people and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to unbox the new beauty box released by Next Beauty called the Little Luxuries beauty box. This time we are talking about a mini beauty box. It's not very big and this is visible on the camera, I think. The box is well priced. It's retailed for £12. This beauty box comes in two options. You can choose between two products and the price of a box depends on which product you choose. But we will talk about that later when we get to that product. Let's get to know the first product from the Little Luxuries beauty box. Is from the brand Olaplex. Is the number 3 hair perfector. Is a pre-shampoo treatment that helps to visibly restore dry, damaged hair. I have found this product so many times in different boxes, not only from Next Beauty. It's a good product, especially for damaged hair. As usual, I will insert the size of a product on the screen. From my experience, how much product we have here is enough for only one treatment. The second product from the beauty box is from Dermalogica, Daily Microfoliant. Is a mild exfoliator that refines texture and tone with a gentle, kind-to-skin approach. It is a powder that activates in water. I tried it in the past and is gentle and kind with the skin. In my opinion, this may be an everyday product for oily or combination skin types because it deeply cleans the skin. For normal and dry skin types, I think it's enough to use it 2-3 times per week. The next product is from Pixi Skin Treats Hydrating Milk Kit Tonic. The gentle milk-enriched toner delivers a calming effect to help comfort the complexion and contains oat extract for its soothing and balancing effects. Effective even on sensitive skin, the gentle alcohol-free tonic will leave skin feeling hydrated, nourished and relaxed. The fourth product from the beauty box is small and is from the brand Pericon MD called Plasma Eye Cream. Infused with nourishing copper peptides to firm the skin surface, vitamin C to banish dark spots, and omega-3, 6 and 9 to restore softness, the eye serum helps to target and prevent the common sign of aging. Dark circles and puffiness are minimized, while fine lines and crow's feet are visibly reduced. The skin tone is balanced and discoloration is banished for a brighter, smoother, more youthful eye area. I know this brand and I've tried a few face creams from them. What I can say is that I am very curious about this eye cream, even excited, I can say. And the last product from the beauty box is the product that I talked about at the beginning of the video. For this box, as I said, there was the option to choose between a face cream from Clinique or a face cream from IT Cosmetics. As you can see, I choose the Clinique face cream. If I had chosen the face cream from IT Cosmetics, I would have to pay £15 for the beauty box. So here I have Clinique Moisture Surge 100-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. Is a refreshing oil-free gel cream moisturizer with hyaluronic acid that deeply hydrates the skin. These are the products from the Little Luxury beauty box. In my opinion, it's an amazing beauty box. I love the selection of the products, I love the brands, and I love the size of the product found inside. Happy with my purchase and delighted with the products found. I end today's video in this positive note. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!